behind us. You can't really see it. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh my gosh, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming! Okay, here's what happened, right? This guy on that motorcycle right there, he has this creeper clown mask Joker thing on, and he was behind us in the construction, and he's really creepy, and I took pictures, and then he passed us, and we looked and we screamed, and then we passed him because he was going slow, and we screamed, but he looked at us, and then he got behind us and was going really, really slowly, and it was really scary, and now we're just, oh, now he's slowing down, what the heck, why? Guys, you're creepy. No, he knows where we live, we live in Spring Arbor, he wants to come follow us. I'm not okay with it. So, just in case you never see us again. It's him. It's him. It's his fault. That guy in the clown mask on a motorcycle. Who does that? Paul, this is for you. Oh, wait. Okay, but really, we do have control in the car. I promise. We're still good drivers, even though we're crazy. Gosh. Okay, I think I'm just digging myself a hole, so I'm gonna go now. Bye. Okay, thanks for watching Adventures with us. Have a good day.